Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be using this affiliate marketing strategy to make money online. As you know, on this channel, I always show you different strategies you can be using internet and technology to be also making passive income and other tricks, either for techie support and the other skills you might be wanting. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Clickfunnels to make money with affiliate marketing. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see now, I'm opening my computer. Also, I'm going to be going to browser. You can also use your phone. If you have a phone, that is not a problem, because you can either use your phone, you can either use other tool that can be able to access the internet. What we need to do, we need to search for Clickfunnels. As you can see, this is a platform, and it's a platform which is a different kind of product. It's a digital product. You can see Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your product and services online. What I need to do, I need to open this platform. So this is a Clickfunnels, this is the website. So I need to open it to see, to first visit the site. After visiting the site, you can see I'm going to be accessing different products and services they are providing to the audience. So what you can see now, you are now on Clickfunnels from changing. So before we go to how you can be able to make money with this platform, let's first explore different products and services that you provide, which are going to be helping you to make money online. As you can see, Clickfunnels has your funnel convert your online visitors into paying customers. So you can see your stores. You can be able to create your store, also build your store and be able to sell different products online. You can see you can have these stuff, you can have these shopping items. Also, you can have your CRMs, you can be having different customer relationship management softwares and apps. You can have also your email marketing services you can be able to buy here. You can have your online courses. You can create your online courses by using these Clickfunnels services. What we have to do now is to ensure that we go to the affiliate marketing link so that we can see how much money we can be able to earn. So before let's start now, let's see the pricing plans for these services and see how much money you can be able to make after this. Or let's you can see if I come to pricing, I'm gonna see the different items they are selling. Here is the startup where you can pay 81 per month. Here what you can be getting: members, courses, funnels, contact pages, domains. So here is a brand, workspaces, team members. You can see all those are services you'll be getting if you're gonna be purchasing all the services. These are monthly payments, and this is an annual payment. You can see there's a discount for every package. And also what we do is to ensure that you can be able to handle every stuff and every style here below. So what we're gonna do is to ensure that we gonna start our affiliate marketing and also be earning money with this one. Now let's open affiliate marketing. We have to scroll down and go to the bottom. We have to search for affiliate. You can see we have different details here, and we have affiliate program. What I do is to click on affiliate program here, which is this one. And also after opening affiliate program, it is gonna be opening into the new tab. Here is also how much money I'm gonna be earning. You can see the amount of money they have already paid out, which is equal to USD 136 million, USD 688,351 plus this amount which has been already paid out. So what I need to do is to scroll down now and see if I'm going to be wanting to apply. I have to click on this one, feed the details, phone number, and the other stuff. So let's see now how much money you can be able to earn is to, for instance, here if you have, it's also if you have this package of this pricing of let's come back here and see. Here is 97 per month, and also if you come here, you can see you'll be able to earn 30% of the cost that person have already paid. So if it's a passive 40% of the cost, let's for instance say that the customer has paid 97 per month. 97 times 30 over 100, I'm gonna be making 29. This will be 29 USD 0.1. So 29.1 USD, also that's the amount I will be earning for the person who has purchased this package, which is for 97 per month. So again, let's try to see also if for instance, this one has paid for Pro plan. I'm going to take now also 297 and I multiply by 30. That's gonna be over 100. I'm gonna be earning a 9 USD 0.1. So this is gonna be also a big amount of money I can be able to make per sale. So this is another affiliate marketing opportunity which can help you to earn passive income when you are home, and also when you are using your marketing strategy. Remember, also you always need marketing strategy and other stuff to be able to make money online. You need also to be having different ways you need to promote this kind of product to the audience. You need to have the niche you can be using to promote your product too. By having all this stuff, you can be able to make money online by also doing affiliate marketing. Also, if you want to sign up, you have to fill your name and fill also your details. For instance, let's say I have to fill my first name and also the last name. Then I fill the phone number, the email address. So then also you have to confirm here and also confirm this one. Now you have to wait for them to send. You click now. Once you click on send me an invite, they will send you an invite on your email. So what you need to do, you have to follow the procedures and be able to get started. Once you are accepted the program, you can see earn 30% per month on recurring commission. So when we say recurring commission, also that is gonna be business you will be able to earn every month. So now you can be even having one client or two customers to 3 customers who have purchased the items, and when you come back, you'll be able to earn money which are recurring, which are can also come back. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave it in the comment section. Also, we'll be continuing to show you different strategies you can be earning money as affiliate marketing. What we do, show you different ways you can use to make money as affiliate marketing, and you select the one which is also which you want and which you can see that can be fitting you, and also which can be fitting your marketing strategy, your promotion style, and your audience, your traffic, and your niche. So this can be also helping you to earn a certain amount of money.